Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the chapter that is Raksha Bandhan. We'll see in this video in detail. As the title itself says, Raksha Bandhan, the meaning of Raksha is to protect, and Bandhan is a relationship. So that is why we do celebrate Raksha Bandhan in our country. In India, so many festivals are being celebrated by different people based on their traditions and customs. For example, you can say like Diwali, Navaratri, Christmas, Ramzan, Good Friday, and so on. And we do also celebrate Mother's Day, Father's Day, Teacher's Day, Children's Day, Friendship Day, and so on. So during this particular day, we do convey our wishes and we do also give a kind of gift or a present to our loved ones. If you take, for example, in case of Mother's Day, we do convey our wishes to our mother and we do present a kind of gift in the form of love and affection towards her. In the same way, Raksha Bandhan is also celebrated. Raksha Bandhan is a festival that is being celebrated between the brother and sister. Here, the sister has to tie Rakhi to her brother, and brother do promise to his sister to protect her in any kind of situation she is facing. So let us go into the chapter in detail now. Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. So in the northern region in India, people do celebrate Raksha Bandhan. It celebrates warm feelings of love and affection between brothers and sisters. They do say that it is a kind of celebration that brings a kind of feeling of love and affection between a brother and a sister. So they do say that how the Raksha Bandhan has been originated, how the festival started and how the people started celebrating this. It comes a kind of story from Mahabharata saying that in the epic Mahabharata, this kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. So they say that in Mahabharata, they can see a brother-sister relationship between Krishna and Draupadi. When Krishna's wrist bleed from a wound, Draupadi tore a strip of her silk sari and tied it around his wrist. So they say that when Krishna got hurt and when he was bleeding, Draupadi, she made a kind of first aid by tearing her silk sari and she tied it around his wrist. He was so touched by her act that he owed to protect her. So what happened was Krishna was very much touched with the act which was done by the Draupadi. So he made a promise himself that he has to protect Draupadi, as he took her to be his sister from that moment. Thing is like he considered Draupadi as his own sister from that moment. The festival is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. So when this festival is being celebrated is like in the month of Shravana. If you see, it falls in the month of between August and September. This Raksha Bandhan festival is being celebrated. In this page we can see there is a conversation between two girls who are going to market, who meet each other while going to the market. A kind of conversation takes place where they tell us regarding what is Rakhi and what to do with the Rakhi and why we are celebrating the Raksha Bandhan. This information is being shared by a girl to her friend while going on the way to market. So let us see what kind of conversation is being taken place between these two girls. Two girls meet on the street while going to the market. Let us know what they talk. The name of the two girls is Vani and Suma. So Vani is telling to Suma, "Hi Suma, where are you going?" She's asking with Suma, "Where are you going?" Suma is telling that, "I'm going to the market to buy Rakhi." She's mentioning that she's going to purchase Rakhis. Vani is now asking, "What is a Rakhi?" As she don't know what is Rakhi, she's mentioning a question. She's putting forward a question towards Suma, asking, "What is Rakhi?" Suma, she's now telling, "It is a symbol of love and affection. It strengthens the bond between brothers, sisters, and cousins." She's telling that Rakhi is considered as a kind of symbol of love and affection, where it is going to establish or it is going to strengthen a relationship between a brother and sister. A Rakhi is made of thread and it is colorful. Most of the students might have seen colorful Rakhis during Raksha Bandhan, and it is being decorated with using colorful beads, colorful threads, stone works, and all those things. Look, I have bought some with me. Now she's showing the Rakhis which Suma have bought from the market. One is now asking, "What do you do with that?" As she don't know what to do with the thread or a Rakhi. Suma is telling now, "I tie it onto the right wrist of my brother and friends like Raju, Deepu, Arun, and others." She's mentioning the name of her brothers and her friends to whom she's going to tie the Rakhi. One is now asking, why do you do that? She's asking, she don't know why you want to go and tie a thread on the wrist of your brother and friends. Suma says that tying of Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. She's telling that in the Raksha Bandhan festival, you go and tie Rakhi to your brothers. It is believed that the person who is presented with Rakhi promises to protect the sister. It says that if you go and tie Rakhi to your brother or to a person, he has to protect his sister during her difficult times. Affection between brothers and sisters is thus established. So a kind of relationship is being established. Van is telling, "Please tell me more about it, and I will also celebrate the festival." She's asking, "Can you give me some more information regarding the Raksha Bandhan?" Suma is telling, "Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated every year in the month of Shravana. As I told, it falls in the month between August and September. Sisters carry sweet and Rakhi in a plate with Arati in it. They tie Rakhi round the wrist of the brother and give sweets." She's telling that sister will carry in a plate with sweets and Arati in it. After taking the Arati of their brother, they will tie the Rakhi and they give sweets to their brother. The brothers give gifts or money to the sisters in return. So the brother has to give something present in the form of gift or money to their sister. Van is telling now, "Fine, thank you. I will also buy Rakhis and tie them on my brother's wrist." As Vani came to know the importance of the festival, even she wanted to celebrate the festival. So, thank you, students.